is Philippe Germain, Ambassador of the Ordre des Coteaux de Champagne in Paris. Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, it's a tradition, being the commander of the Ordre des Coteaux, first of all to welcome you in this very particular atmosphere. Normally we are a group of 20 dignitaries representing many great houses, many wine growers, and it is the first time that we do an Ordre des Coteaux with only 2 dignitaries. So it will be a bit different, but very special because it's a private chapter on the demand of Clovis Tétinger, my son. He wanted to do something special in Russia because it's a special, great event in a great country, and so we have decided to do this with a lot of intimacy. Also, I would like to say that due to many changes, because some people could not come, some others came lately, maybe we will forget 1 medal or 2, but you will let us know after, but everything is going to be right. This is a tradition in the Ordre des Coteaux to give you some news about Champagne. So I am going to do it. First of all, I would like to say that the Russian market, because we have many Russian friends here, is doing extremely well. Russia has been always a great champagne market before the revolution, and now, since the last 20 years, the sales in Russia are growing tremendously due to the dynamism of many great wine merchants, hotel managers, wine bars, restaurants managers, clubs. So the champagne is really bubbling with the growth, super growth of Russia today. In Champagne, the atmosphere is good because we are expecting a superb harvest 2018. A superb harvest in quantity and a superb harvest in quality if we have not any more ale. We have escaped from the frost, we have escaped from many diseases, so we are expecting a great harvest this year, which is extremely good after some harvest quite poor in quantity, even if the quality has been always there. So today, it's marvelous because we are in Russia. We are just before the final of the World Cup, opposing 2 great countries, Croatia and France, and you must be sure how emotional we are to do this chapter 2 days before the great final in Moscow. It is unique for us, it will be, I hope, unique for you, but for Philippe and I, it's a very special moment, and so I would like to say that it's moving to share it with you. So we are going to start because we have many friends to intronize. We will start with ladies as Chevalier, and men after for Chevalier, Russian first, and progressively we'll go in the chapter to the Officier d'Honneur. My dear Philippe, you can start and ask for our friends to come.
Thank you very much. Will those who are to be invested as Chevalier, please?
Dame Chevalier, as Dame Chevalier.
Dame Chevalier, thank you. Please come before the council. Olga Poladieva. Mila Mamontova. Irina Kuzashova. Galina Budnikova. Elisabeth Stakhanova. Anastasia Sharapinkova. Tatiana Sharchenko. Daria Zilkova. Lilia Salina. And Becca Lloyd. Anna Vipik.
Et Anna Vipik. So, no, Laurence is here, will be intronized in France. Alors, have a glass for Philippe, my friend. Philippe, you need a glass? Et tout. Voilà. So, Philippe, alors, je commence. Dames écuyères, let yourself be enticed by the liveliness of this golden wine and the vivacity of these delicate bubbles.
Appreciate the subtle aromas issue of the marriage between the wines and the soil of Champagne.
Discover the flavors of this great wine to appreciate its subtlety, richness and harmony.
Écuyer, dame écuyer, please repeat after me. Champagne only comes from Champagne.
Well done. Alors now, you will have to drink this glass in one shot, like the vodka, and Philippe is going to show you how we do it. Let us celebrate our union and our loyalty to Champagne.
This is the Chevalier Oath. I pledge to remain faithful in all circumstances to the great wines of Champagne and to act as a loyal Dame Chevalier of the Ordre des Coteaux de Champagne.
Dame Chevalier, écuyères, please say yes if you promise to do so.
Yes.
You have to say it a little stronger.
Yes.
Commander, honored dignitaries, these écuyères, dames écuyères, are deemed worthy to wear the insignia of our order in the name of our wines and our vines. I ask you to receive them into the Ordre des Coteaux de Champagne.
So, I will not name you again, because your name has been named by Philippe, but all the Dames Écuyères from Russia today, we are pleased to make you Dame Chevalier of the Ordre des Coteaux de Champagne.